Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to insert a coffee carafe in a Cuisinart Coffee Center coffee maker. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, this is the coffee maker that I'm referring to, and this is the coffee carafe that I'm also referring to. It is really easy to insert it, but I'm just gonna show you and tell you exactly how to do it. So I'll show you how to do it, I'll give you some tips along the way, and I'll explain it with some super simplistic instructions. So I'm gonna remove the carafe right now. As you can see, here's the carafe, okay? Now what you wanna make sure of before you insert the carafe is you want to make sure of the following. You want to make sure that obviously the lid is on there nicely. So if you're trying to insert it and the lid is up, that's not good. You want to make sure that lid is nicely in place. Okay, I'm sorry, that it was supposed to click down, but I guess it wasn't angled properly. So I'll try that again. You want to make sure that your lid is nicely in place. There you go. So my lid is nicely in place. It is nice and secure. Oh, I just actually popped it out of place. Once again, that was another thing that shouldn't have happened, but it's all good. We're gonna roll with it. Once again, I'm gonna say this and show you this for the last time. You wanna make sure that your lid is nicely in place. So I'm just gonna angle it like this, and I'm gonna close the lid. There you have it. The lid is closed. So make sure your lid is in place, okay? Make sure it's not up, make sure it's not out of place, make sure it's not off. You don't want it to be like this, where it's up in the air. You don't want it to be on an angle like that. You don't want it to be off. You want the lid to be nicely in place. And I'll show you one last time, I promise, just like this. The lid is nicely in place. Once you have ensured that your lid is nicely in place and you want to insert the carafe, all that you gotta do is take the handle and lift the coffee carafe up by the handle, okay? And then you're gonna place it over here where the carafe goes, in sort of the center over here. I guess I'll call it the carafe center. That's not by any means what it's called. It's not called the carafe center, but I'm gonna call it the carafe center for this video just to make it easy. This is what I'm calling the carafe center, the area where the carafe goes. So basically you take the carafe and you wanna make sure you're going over this lip, because remember, this is glass, right? So you gotta be careful with it. You gotta be gentle with it. It doesn't take a lot of force. You only wanna use very gentle force and be delicate with it, okay? Be gentle with it, finesse it. We're not trying to get it in there quickly, we're just trying to finesse it. And before I continue, I do have to say this, I kind of just did a small burp. I do apologize. I had dinner kind of recently, and I guess it's causing me to burp. So I do apologize. You might not have even heard it, but I'm a very polite person. So if I burp, I gotta say excuse me. So without further ado, I'm gonna excuse myself, and I'm gonna say it. So here we go. Excuse me. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. I've excused myself more than enough, and I'm sorry that I burped, but I excused myself. So anyways, we are moving on back to the carafe stuff now that I've excused myself. And I'll try not to burp again, but we'll see what happens. But anyways, I'm gonna take the carafe, and as you can see over here, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna place it like this. So I'm just going straight into the area like that. And it just takes just a little gentle finesse, and the carafe is in place. You want to make sure it gets nicely in place over there. So as you can see, I'll take it out one last time. There is a little bit of a lip over here. It might be hard to tell, but there's a little bit of a lip over here. So where the carafe goes is actually recessed, okay? And as you can see over here, there's a little bit of a lip over here as well. So it makes it easy to get it in place properly, okay? Basically, this part over here is gonna end up in this part over here. It's literally that simple. That's like the nudge that you see at the end there. So once again, the lid is on the carafe. I'm gonna take the carafe, I'm gonna move it forward just like that, okay? And we're just getting it in place, and then I just give it a little nudge, and then it sort of rests in place. And when it's in place, I can spin it, as you can see, okay? And it's still within that area. It's still against that lip right there. So you can see I'm sort of giving it a very gentle pull just to show you. There's no need to do this with your own machine, but I'm just showing you that, as you can see over here, listen closely. As you can hear and see, it is in that lip, in that area. So that's the idea there. That is how to insert a coffee carafe in this unit. Really easy to do. And that's basically it. To be honest with you, I thought this was going to be about a video that was maybe 2 minutes long. And I sort of went really into detail with regards to how to do it properly. But I figured that I would really show you how to do it. Instead of just, allow you to just quickly do it, I figured I'd show you really in depth how to do it. But anyways, if you're ever concerned or if you're ever curious, you can always consult your owner's manual, look at the user's manual for the unit, and see if there's any additional tips, or just, use your common sense, use your sense of judgment, make sure you're doing it properly, make sure you're doing it safely. Obviously, just take all the precautions that you need to take, because once again, it is glass and it is delicate, so make sure you're doing it gently and you're finessing it. And that's basically it. I really have nothing else to say, nothing else to show you other than I hope that you've enjoyed the video. And with nothing else to say and nothing else to show you other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, we are going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is officially the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.